The Neotree application is used by healthcare providers at the bedside when they admit babies, discharge babies, and process laboratory results. The application guides the healthcare worker to perform the right checks on the baby in the right order and provides educational instruction and support to help the healthcare provider perform those checks in the correct way. Once all the relevant checks have been performed, the application invites the healthcare provider to diagnose the different conditions that the baby might be suffering. The healthcare provider does this on a screen like the one shown here. And then the application will present a list of suggested diagnoses based on the data that has been entered by the healthcare provider for the newborn. Those algorithms and actually every part of the application experience is configured by the editor that I will show you next. The editor is a web application. In it, it is possible to configure every aspect of the mobile app experience. There is an entry for every single screen that is shown in the app and the sequence that the screens are shown in. It is possible to select any one of these screens and configure very, very precisely exactly what content is shown to the user and what options are presented to the user, to the healthcare provider, to record data. So here you see the configuration for the second screen. That conditional expression at the top determined whether the conditions in which the screen showed, and here you can see the different options that present to the healthcare provider on that screen to select. In this way, we're able to use the editor to tightly configure the application to function exactly as needed in each facility in which it is deployed. For example, taking into account what resources are and aren't available equipment-wise. It is also in the editor where we configure each diagnosis, effectively the formula for determining whether or not a suggested diagnosis is made as part of the in-app experience. All the data collected in the mobile app is aggregated in a database and made available to clinicians via this user-friendly reporting interface that makes it easy to create dashboards and reports and other useful ways of visualizing the data to help support better health outcomes and better enable the teams on the ground in the facilities to understand exactly what's going on.